All right, guys, welcome. Video. It is August the 11th, and I have some exciting news for you. Quaestor Solutions is now officially in pre-launch. For the last a month or so, we were going through a leaders launch. I believe about 450 or so people took action in our leaders launch, and this was even before we had a website or anything, which is truly remarkable. Now, yesterday we started our pre-launch. Our website was revealed, and that's what I want to go through in this video. I want to show you guys the look and feel of the website, and then just also give you a few more of my own thoughts on Quaestor Solutions. So let's get right into this. This is the website. You will come here and you can scroll down. You can read the mission statement. You can look at the roadmap. I'm not going to really get into that here. You can also look at the team. You can look at all the different corporate members. Kjeld Mathiasen is the founding master distributor. Want to also note Sven Rasmussen is the CEO and the owner of Quaestor Solutions. This is one of the most transparent companies that I've ever been a part of. They have daily webinars going on right now for the pre-launch, and Sven attends every webinar. And if you have questions, which a lot of people do, because obviously masternodes are relatively a new subject for most people, he's there to answer questions. So again, very transparent. There's nothing to hide. You can get on the webinar, listen to Kjeld explain what masternodes are and why you want to participate in masternodes. Personally, I truly believe that masternodes are the future, especially if you're interested in passive income. Again, if you're interested in passive income, you'll want to learn about what masternodes are, because I believe, again, this is the wave of the future. All right, so let's get right into the back office. I'm just going to quickly log in. Okay, guys, so I'm in the back office, and I'm just going to start here on the left side. Obviously, this is the I'm going to just show you the matrix in just a few seconds here, but I just want to go through the rest of these tabs here. The matrix bonus is coming soon. The personal matching bonus is coming soon. Now, this level matching bonus is something very unique. I've never seen this in any other company before. I don't think any other company has this. Now, again, you can be 100% passive with our company and earn residual income passively. You can also participate in our affiliate program, and you can earn, obviously, commissions, and build a team and that kind of thing. But there's something called the level matching bonus, which means that you can earn on 5 levels of the matrix. In Quaestor, there's a 3x10 matrix, and you can earn, I believe it's 20, could be 30%. I'm not sure. It's either 20 or 30% on 360 members that fall below you. Now, there is obviously spillover when it comes to a matrix, and obviously, I don't like promising. I never promise spillover. But however, you come in a pre-launch in a company that's planned out for the next 10 years, there's a good chance that you may get spillover. Now, there's a few qualifications to receive this spillover, to receive a level matching bonus, which simply means you receive commission from people that you don't even sponsor. So as people fill into your matrix and you don't even have to sponsor these people, you earn, again, I believe it's either 20 or 30%. I'm not sure on that number. I don't want to, say something wrong, but it's either 20 or 30% of whatever those people make, you earn as a bonus. Never been done before. That's what's called a level matching bonus. Okay, so let me move on. Place a person. CryptoBot. CryptoBot is our automated trading bot that is coming very soon, and it has been tested. And I know that there's lots of different trading bots on the market right now. Most of these bots, however, only do well in a bull market. in a green market, right? There's very, very few bots that can make you money in a down market. And our crypto bot has been tested. Now, obviously, the proof will be in the pudding, right? I mean, I can only, say what's been revealed to us from the testing, which it did produce a positive income from a bear market, from even when the market goes down. Because guys, even when a market goes down, like it has been over the last 6 months, there are dips. It doesn't just go straight down. It goes down, maybe 2 steps down, and then takes 1 step up, and then 2 steps down, 1 step up, and so on. So even in a down market, you can do well if you know what you're doing. And our crypto bot has been trained, I guess, so to speak. I mean, everything's obviously automatic, but there's parameters built into this trading bot that helps it, do well in a bear market. That's all I can say, right? You're gonna have to see it, obviously, to believe it, but it will be coming out here very shortly as well. The Click It, this is another one of our products in Quaestor Solutions. This is what really makes us, or one reason which makes us the go-to place for masternode setups. Right now, if you want to get a masternode set up, you usually have to find some group, maybe send in your coins, or most likely you have to send your coins to that group, and then they set up the masternode for you. Sometimes you can send them a percentage of the coins, but you're still sending them the coins. In our Click It product, you'll be able to keep the coins, which is very, very important, in your own wallet, okay, and participate in a masternode. So whether you want to own the whole masternode or whether you just want to own a percentage, you can just simply be able to click a few buttons. You'll be able to be put into a masternode, and obviously once that is full, you will start getting passive income from that masternode. And now I know I'm talking about things here that you may not understand because I'm talking about masternodes, but that's why I kind of want you, if you're brand new and if you haven't seen any of the other videos, make sure you watch a few webinars, learn what masternodes are. But the Click It solution is, again, this is what is going to make us the number one stop, the number one place for people to come for their masternodes. Okay, so that's the Click It tab right in here. Across the top, you have people in your 10 levels. Again, this is a 3x10. You're personally sponsored, the Fast Start bonus, and the Quaestor coins. Now, once we have a full launch in September, the only place to get Quaestor coins will be in the exchange or on the exchange. Now, the starting price on the exchange will be $3. Right now, in a pre-launch, you can get some of these coins included in your package. Right now, there are 2 packages. There's a €100 package and a €200 package. In the €100 package, you can ask to receive 20 Quaestor coins. In the €200 package, you can receive 50 Quaestor coins. On top of this, you also receive in the €100 package 1 all-time setup and maintenance for a masternode. Again, you can go anywhere else in the market and you search for masternode setups. It is going to cost you. Most groups will charge you anywhere from 5 to 10% on your rewards, on your income that you get every single time you get paid out in coins. You will have to pay a percentage for the setup, for the maintenance of the masternode. Here with Quaestor Solutions in pre-launch, you get setups, maintenance for no charge. That is the product that is included in the 2 packages, either 1 all-time setup for the €100 package or 2 all-time setups in the €200 package. Now, it's absolutely a no-brainer, because if you do the math and you add what it will cost you elsewhere for maintenance depending on the masternode, it could run you anywhere from 15 to, you know, $100, $200, $300 a month for maintenance, depending on, you know, how much you're producing, right? Because if you're paying a percentage, right, you're obviously depends on how much that masternode is, the income that it produces. So again, to have no setup, no maintenance is absolutely crazy. Okay, so that's the value here is insane. All right, I don't want to keep, but I need to emphasize this because this is very, very important, especially if, you know, for a lot of you watching don't really know what masternodes are yet. Okay, this is why it's vital to learn before the end of pre-launch, because after pre-launch, this most likely won't be available. All right, you will have to pay for the product for the setups, but right now it's included in the package. And I want to get back to these coins. This is the only time you can receive coins because the company has 400,000 coins that they need to give out, or, you know, to the members here, because after September, after they launch, the only place to get coins is on the exchange, and the starting point is $3. Okay, and one of the unique features about the Quaestor coin is that there will only be, I believe it's just over 5,000 coins released into the blockchain every single day, which is not many coins. And this is over the next 10 years. And when you consider that one masternode in Quaestor, for the Quaestor coin, for a full masternode is 2,000 coins. You know, you can understand why the coin, the supply, because it's all about supply and demand. Just like with any coin on the marketplace, right? It's all about supply and demand, right? If more people want to buy the coin, right, then there are sellers, the coin price goes up, and vice versa, right? So with a limited supply of the Quaestor coin, and with people, the members, I'm not selling any of my coins, right? I have, that's why I'm trying to earn right now as many coins as possible, because I know that the coin price will continue to rise over the next 5-10 years, right? I don't want to say any numbers, but it could be $10, $20, $100, and that's why, people now, or once the coin goes to the exchange, there'll be very few sellers, but a lot of buyers. This will drive up the price of the coin. Another thing I want to mention: these 50 coins will be put into a partial masternode for you. So I just have a few numbers here just to want to make sure I say this right. 50 of these coins, because I said 2,000 coins make up a full Quaestor masternode. 50 coins is equal to 2.5% of the 2,000 masternode. Okay, 500 coins will be released to that one masternode. Now, I'm not sure exactly how many masternodes. I think this is based on 300 masternodes at the beginning that are running. But if one masternode produces 500 coins profit, right, roughly 17 coins a day at $3, okay, your percentage, that 2.5%, will earn you about $37.50 roughly right out of the gate every single month. So whether you want to look at it like this is a bonus, or because again, you are getting for your package, you're basically getting either the 1 or 2 masternode setups, and then the coins are really just a bonus. So you're getting tremendous value here, guys. It's insane. All right, I hate to keep emphasizing this, but it's very, very important you understand the value that's in these packages. Now, if I scroll through here, it shows you a pie chart here, how many people I have on the different levels. There are fast start bonuses, like if you refer someone who buys a 200 euro package, you receive 50 euros as a fast start bonus. All right, guys. So that's basically all I wanted to share with you in the back office. But guys, if you have any questions about any of this, make sure you contact, myself, or if someone sent you this video, get back to them and make sure you're on the next webinar, because like I've said earlier, masternodes are the future. They beat traditional mining hands down. I do traditional mining as well. I don't have the physical equipment, but I participate in a few other companies that do the mining for me. And what I've noticed about masternodes is that I'm earning, at least double, triple than what I'm earning with the traditional mining. So as far as passive income goes, I believe that traditional mining will take a back seat for sure to masternodes. I mean, once people really understand this, the floodgates will open, and that's why it's important as well to take a good position. If you have any inkling of building a team, you'll want to get started sooner rather than later. If you just want to earn passive income, again, you can't beat the value in these packages. So with that said, guys, have an awesome day, and we'll see you on the next video.